Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Check your Mac model and that it supports Mac OS X. 15. Once confirmed, backup. Use Time Machine or make a bootable clone and verify the backup works. Sign in with your Apple ID so downloads are authorized. Then, launch the App Store or the Apple Recovery/download path and search for Catalina. Start the installer download. This step gets the installer app into your Applications folder, which you'll use next, so make sure the download completes without interruption. You'll now create a clean installer and ready the drive. First, confirm the Install Macos Catalina app sits in /applications. Do not double-click it. Plug in a 16 GB or larger USB drive and open Terminal. Use the Create Install Media command that comes with the installer to make a bootable USB. While that runs, make sure any target drive is formatted correctly. Apps for SSD, Mac OS Extended, journaled for older drives. This prep avoids installer errors and gives you a full clean install option. You finish by booting from the USB installer. Restart and hold Option, then select the installer volume. Once booted, open Disk Utility to erase or partition the target disk if you want a clean install. Otherwise, choose Install and follow prompts. After installation, complete setup and either restore your Time Machine backup or migrate files manually. Make sure to install software updates and check that critical apps run. Troubleshooting tip. If the installer fails, verify the USB installer integrity and recreate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.